I didn't even see you there.
Oh,
we were just looking at our phones, which we use to access the internet and social media. Today we're going to talk about screen time, which is kind of a horrifying number to look at on your phone, of how much time you actually spend each day interacting with it. When I looked at this the first time, I tried to justify it by saying, well, that's just Spotify, or whenever I have Spotify, I must be tracking that, or whenever
you go for a run, it's
right,
tracking it.
yes,
Yeah.
And I go for long runs, and and he's always texting me, so I have to look at my screen then. So, but yeah, the numbers aren't pretty. Do you want to start off?
Sure. So we invited.
Oh, come on.
Hold on. We invited you guys last week to turn your screen tracking on, your screen time on to track it. And we've also been doing it, those of us who are able. So I've actually been doing it for a few months now. I turned it on a little while ago, and I was appalled.
Yeah.
So my numbers more recently look better. That's why Mr. Aldridge is looking at my phone. Because I looked at it, and it was horrible.
Yeah.
I was amazed at how much time. I was shocked. I had no idea. That's the thing, is I just had no idea. I would not have said that I spent that much time on my phone. So my lower days recently, Monday I was under an hour. Under an hour on Monday. However, but you look at it, even of my hour, 45 minutes of that is social media. That's what I'm spending the most time on my phone. You can definitely see days that I'm at school and days that I'm not. So Sunday was almost 3 hours.
Yeah.
Monday was an hour.
Yeah.
So it definitely depends on how busy I am, what I'm doing. If I'm just sitting around my house, I will mindlessly pick it up all the time.
Yeah, my daily average was 3 hours, which is kind of horrifying. And same thing, I guess I just don't realize how much I unconsciously use it.
Yeah.
It's just in my hand. If I'm watching Netflix at night with my wife, it's just always in my hand. Or I'm always reading on it too. I always just pick it up and then, like Mrs. Lambert said, falling down that wormhole of, I guess I'll read every article on this website.
Right. Mm-hmm. I don't even know how to find my screen time.
You found it right there.
But it's like dates are weird.
Is it still tracking?
Ooh, Tuesday, 4.5 hours.
I know, see?
Maybe that was Celebration Cinema.
No, that Tuesday was an exam day, so we only had a half day of school.
Yep.
And that you were talking with your family a lot
I
that
was.
Yep.
That was a lot. If you look, that was probably crazy.
Yep.
week. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know. I had a day like that too.
Mm-hmm.
On Sunday when I wasn't at school.
So I'm rocking an iPhone 5C, which I think is supposed to be a pretty cool version of the iPhone, retro now. And none of these three could help me actually track my screen time. So here we are.
There's no screen on the jitterbug.
However, I am aware of the fact that I use my phone more than I would like. One thing I did a couple months ago to try to combat that is I tweaked the setting to turn my phone into like black and white. So anything I view on my phone screen, and I did this just for a couple weeks, but it was in black and white. And it's definitely less interesting and alluring reading your phone or using your phone when it's just in grayscale.
Mm-hmm.
So that was just an interesting self-experiment for a couple weeks.
So now we invite you guys to take a look at what you've tracked over the last week or so, or if you've had it on longer than that, and just have a discussion. Were you surprised? What happened with that? So go ahead and take a look at that.